Hello guys, you're super welcome back to my channel, T Elegant Natural Beauty and Fabulosity channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and if you're old, you are super welcome. Please check below, you see the subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Please comment, share your thoughts, let me know how this simple homemade remedy worked for you. Alright guys, so on today's video I'm going to be showing you how to improve your skin texture. Alright guys, how to get rid of flaky skin, dry skin, excessive oily skin, and any other skin problem that you can think about that is causing your skin texture to look awkward. This simple homemade remedy is beneficiary to all skin types. Alright guys, so it doesn't matter if you have a tender skin, a fragile skin, or a hard skin. Just do this and I tell you that you are gonna love the results you get. Alright guys, so without saying much, let's jump right into this video. One of the best ways to prevent the appearance of blemishes and wrinkles is to turn to cucumber. This veggie can nourish skin while reducing the appearance of acne scars and other marks. Cucumbers also lock in moisture, keeping skin hydrated and reducing dark circles. The second thing I'm going to be needing for this face mask is aloe vera. Regular use of fresh aloe vera gel can help prevent skin texture, making it more elastic and reduce signs of aging. Frequent use of aloe vera will make your skin soft and supple. Oatmeal has rich antioxidant properties and helps undo damage done to your skin by pollution, UV rays, and chemicals. Oatmeal helps reduce itching and inflammation. And I tell you guys, these three powerful ingredients together is gonna do a good job to your skin. So guys, I'm gonna be exfoliating my legs because this is the worst skin zone of my body. I don't know whether it's because I don't pay much attention to them or because they are close to the ground and then they attract dirt easily. I don't know, but I'm just gonna pay attention to them today. Hopefully I know this is gonna work well on my legs because I use it on other parts of my body and I've been enjoying the benefits, but I don't know, for some reasons I hardly pay attention to my legs. So I'm gonna pamper my legs a little bit today and let's see how it goes. Hopefully they'll be better after this. But to enjoy the full benefits, you need to be consistent till you get your desired result. So guys, as you can see, my legs are completely dried, so I'm just gonna go rinse them and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I just finished rinsing off my legs. Even you would agree with me that they are looking far better than before. If only I would just be consistent, at least even if for 1 month, to achieve an amazing result, but I don't know, I can't trust myself on this. I hardly pay attention to my legs, and this has robbed me a lot. But today I'm so happy I had a little chance to pamper my legs as well. So guys, what I'm massaging into my legs right now is lemon oil. I prepared it myself, so you go check my video on how to make lemon oil. Alright, my beautiful people, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope the video was helpful. Please, if this video was helpful, consider subscribing. See you on my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye.